are going to love the 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.